enjoying the mainstay, doing things every day. Might check out a beer. I say, hey, what can I say, man? I do things and I say, then I lay, and I say, ole. I play by the rules, but okay, don't touch. And that it could be any day. Then I muster my trust. Holla at your boy, man. I do what I must. Enjoying a cigarette, man, that I really trust. And that's what you're going to do with that. You're going to pronounce around and say, what's up with that? We do magical spells and we do things for dwells. Man, we reap through the bells and we reap through the soil. Through each and every dwell. We're going to get big come ups. Nice day out with the snow. We're doing things to be untold. Nice to see everybody. The story's ending because I'm so bold. Shooting it, cigarette from the joint. Hello.